Alternating dumbbell curls, this is by far one of the best ways to build your biceps quickly. You want to start with your feet shoulder length apart, and you're going to put the dumbbell in a position as if you're going to do a hammer curl. And then you don't want to wait too long. As soon as you start bringing the weight up, you're already turning it into a normal, straight, right dumbbell curl. And then you're turning it back down into a hammer curl position, right? So it's one easy movement, and you can squeeze at the top if you want to, but it's not necessarily, required. If you're trying to build muscle, you want to always come down a good one Mississippi, two Mississippi count, and then you can bring it up with a one Mississippi count, right? If you're just trying to tone your arms, you can do 15, 20 normal reps. And please, 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 like always, guys, for these bicep movements, do not use your lower back or do not swing the weight, right? The focus is the mind to body connection on your bicep. Thank you for watching.